Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review the Vivo Y29 5G, which is an amazing mid-range smartphone due to its powerful features and stylish design. If you are planning to buy a new smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Design and build quality. First, let's talk about the design of this phone. The build quality of the Vivo Y29 5G is quite impressive. Its glass front, plastic back, and plastic frame provide a premium and lightweight feel. The phone is IP64 dust and water resistant, which protects it from light water and dust. This phone is available in 3 stunning colors: glacier blue, titanium gold, and diamond black, which can appeal to everyone. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the highlight features of this phone. It has a 6.68-inch IPS LCD display that delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. If you use your phone in sunlight, its 1000 nits HBM brightness will be very helpful. For smooth scrolling and gaming, it supports a 120Hz refresh rate. For security, this phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Talking about the sound experience, this phone comes with dual speakers that provide loud and clear audio. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6M chipset, which delivers smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. It also has a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, which enhances the graphics. In terms of software, it runs on Android 14 with FunTouch OS 14, offering a smooth and user-friendly interface. The Vivo Y29 5G comes with multiple storage and RAM options: 128GB with 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM. If you need extra storage, it also has a micro SDXC card slot, which uses a shared SIM slot. For photography enthusiasts, the 50-megapixel main camera is an excellent feature. This camera comes with f1.8 aperture, PDF, and a 1.95-inch sensor, which performs well even in low-light conditions. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel front camera that can capture wide-angle shots. Talking about video recording, both cameras support 1080p at 30fps. When it comes to the battery, this phone has a large 5500 mAh battery, which can provide more than a day of backup. For charging, it supports 44-watt fast charging, which quickly powers up the phone. It also includes a reverse wired charging feature. In terms of connectivity, you get USB Type-C 2.0, OTG support, and a 3.5mm audio jack. NFC is not supported, but the phone does include the FM radio feature. So friends, this was the detailed review of the Vivo Y29 5G. This phone, with its stylish design, amazing display, and powerful performance, is an all-rounder device. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you found this phone. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.